Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to restore your repository in GitHub. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, now for this video, we are just going to follow these GitHub documentation and how to restore our deleted repository. So basically, this is something that you will be needing to know, that your deleted repository can only be restored within 90 days of its suppression or deletion. And to restore a deleted repository, it is so easy. You will be needing just to go to your deleted repositories. It's like the bin or the trash or whatever. And basically from there you will find them. So here you let's just go to our repositories. So this is the GitHub website, and from here you will find your projects, etc. Now we can just click on more, or we can simply go to the profile so we can get our repositories. So I'm just going to click on my profile. You will find your repositories, and from here you can find all the repos. And basically now we will be needing to go to our settings so we can get our repos that will be shown in the bin. So here we click on the settings, of course, and we will be searching for repositories. So as you can see in this section, the code planning and automation. And basically those are all my repositories. You can see the collaborators, etc. Now we click on deleted repository. So basically your deleted repository will be residing here. And from there, you will find a restore option that will be shown next to the name of your repository. You click on it and you confirm you're restoring, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.